crispy poop and sprinkles.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Crispy. So tonight I'm going to 7-Eleven because I heard they have squishies. So come with me and let's look. All right, let's see. Hungry. Should we get something to eat? What do you think? Ooh, potato chips. Now let's look for squishies. And there's also another store after this that we're gonna go to. It's actually one of my favorite stores for like makeup, and they have squishies because I've seen them. So, all right, let's look. Ooh, I don't see nothing, but wait, what is that at the end? Is that, what is this? Keychain. Oh my God, yes, here they are. Squishy stress gear. All right, cool. So this is the first time I'm seeing this. These are really cute. Watermelon. Wonder if they're scented. Oh, they're so cute. They're really slow rising and soft and squishy and rubbery, whatever you want to call it. Foamy. This is awesome. Got a big box of them. Oh, and there's those happy monkeys. Awesome. All right. Okay, so now we're going into Harmon Discount. I don't know if you guys have any of them where you live. I live in New Jersey and there's a lot of them. I love the store. There's makeup and, you know, cute stuff like shampoo and soap and just stuff for your whatever. All kinds of stuff. So, this place is great. This is the fun section. This is for like if you're traveling. They have so much stuff. Little sanitizers. Right? Look how much. So, here's the Christmas stuff. I found squishies in one of these baskets the last time. It was a couple of days ago. So I wanted to go back and show you. And here they are. Look guys, $3.99. Look how cute these are though. Look, French fries. I love them. I've never seen this before. So there's the pink, the purple. There's a blue one. And they're really soft. And look how cute. So those are $3.99. I really like this blue one. Alright, and then underneath there's donuts. But none of these are very, it's like a quick squish. But they're still cute. And there's a bunch. Found an ice cream. Ooh, that one's very slow rising. All right, and then at the end by the register, I also found these, which are pretty cool. Little keychains. Some more squishies. And then I found these at the top, and that's it. So I wanted to show you everything. I'm happy that I found these in this store. Hopefully they'll be getting new ones in like every month or whatever. But they got really cute stuff. So that's it. Love you guys. Bye.